So here's an example of why Brazil reminds me of India. Take a look at this. This is something you don't need an electrician for. You just finagle it yourself. And we do this in India all the time. This is why when I married Elsie, I thought I was marrying an Indian. You know? We have tons in common. You know what Elsie and I pray is that God gives us a sign on where to settle down in Brazil. Brazil is a big country and very diverse, and we've just only arrived here a couple of days ago. And here behind me is the Christ of Maravilha, Santa Catarina, overlooking the city and the seafront. Elsie and I pray that we will have guidance on where to end up and settle, whether it's here in Santa Catarina or maybe up in Bahia or someplace in the middle. We'll see. We pray for guidance. Guys, we got whales right close by, between where these people are and that boat. We just saw a couple. There's one, and there's one there too. So we just bought groceries for 4 people at this amazing, huge grocery store. And guess how much it cost us? $97 US. Groceries for 4 people. Hi, beautiful. How are you?
I'm good.
Hello, I'm from Brazil. My name is Thiago.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Obrigado.
Bye-bye.
Elsie, ask him where we can buy one of those. Ask him. So Elsie and I were in a small town in Santa Catarina called San Francisco do Sul. It's called the San Francisco of the South. And you can tell by looking at these old buildings. And there's a church over there, there's a cobblestone streets, there's the water over there. Kind of looks like the old parts of what used to be historic San Francisco, I suppose. Cool town.
Hello, Pepe and Elsie.
Elsie.
Welcome to Brazil. Have a really nice trip here.
Welcome.
Thank you. And what
Thank
is
you.
your name?
My name is Paulo and my name is Maria.
Maria? Obrigada. Obrigada.
Thank you.
So this is called coxinha and is made of potato puree around. This is breadcrumbs around, and then a filling of chicken and some spices to give flavor. Then you make a format of a chicken leg, right? We call coxinha. And then it goes to the oven. Usually it's fried. but this one is baked. It's delicious.
One of the things about Brazil is the food and the variety. I'm sure it's going to be interesting because this looks very tasty. So here we go. Really good. Hi, Charlotte.
Vamos.
Today has been a wonderful day because we're on an island called San Francisco of the South, or in Portuguese it's called San Francisco do Sul. And this town is just amazing. You know, you've got a historic section and then you've got the rest of the town spread out. The beaches are amazing. And in the way the houses are set up on hillsides, amazing. And we're walking towards the beach right now. You kind of get a feel for what it looks like. The sun is setting over there and you can see the long rays of the sun, reflections in the water. This is absolutely beautiful. I think we might have narrowed ourselves down to a place that we might end up calling home. I mean, we were thinking about traveling all over Brazil to Bahia and Espírito Santo, etc. But just take a look at this.
So this is called potato bread, pão de batata. And inside we have a filling, and this filling, it will be...
Where's the potato?
The potato is on the dog.
Oh, potato
And this is chicken
that
and
must be a very small chicken.
and cream cheese. It's red and my love.
What happened to the rest of the chicken?
And then just this juice is made of pineapple and mint. It's a fresh juice.
Wow. What a novel concept. Fresh juice. It didn't come out of a can. What a novel concept. Wow. And of course, you've got to have hot sauce, which I'm going to put on there. And Brazilian coffee. Ooh, it is to die for. So Elsie, what are we doing now after breakfast? What's the plan?
So first thing, we go to the bank. We see if we can exchange dollars and then open an account.
Like a bank account?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Then we go to the cell phone store.
We get a new SIM card.
Yes, for Brazil.
Right. Because I'm tired of paying $10 a day to Verizon. You know, it's like Verizon doesn't have enough money. Every time you use their phone abroad, it's $10 a day. Imagine that. So do you want to know how to get by in a foreign country? So here on my phone, I've got the Google Translator app, as you can see probably, English to Portuguese. So I just, like seconds ago, typed in, I would like another cup of coffee, please. And I went inside and went to town, and she looked at me like I was Brazilian. Not. She knew right away I'm a tourist and I'm not from here. But nonetheless, you know, if you talk to people in their lingo, there's a big smile on their face. And this lady behind me had a really big smile. Life is good. So guys, I'm sure you've seen all kinds of creative architecture, but have you guys ever seen a driveway looking like this? You need to have the mother of all four-wheel drives to get up there. But check it out. Isn't that kind of cool? You gotta give it 10 out of 10 for originality, that's for sure. So when you're a real estate broker and you're walking by after breakfast and you see a real estate company What does a reasonable real estate broker do? He walks right in and talks to the realtors here to see what the properties here sell for. That's what Elsie and I are doing right now. Right, Elsie?
Yes.
Who knows? Maybe the good Lord has brought us right here to find something to buy, right here close to Baravella. So that's what we're here to check out. Things here are much cheaper than the States. Much cheaper. And the beaches to die for. So we are here to get our SIM card changed. And I think this is a Vivo store right there.
Yeah.
We're tired of paying Verizon $10 a day to use our SIM card and our cell phone here in Brazil. So we're at Vivo. I told Elsie, hey, does she need my ID? And Elsie says, no, it's Brazil. They only need her ID. And then she goes on to say, it's my country. Now I'm the boss. Okay. So Elsie's son is an architect. So while he's here doing some measurements of a couple of apartments, we decided to hang out at the beach. And this is yet another beautiful beach in Brazil. The name of the city is Navigantes in Santa Catarina. Just decide for yourself. Unlike anything I've tasted anywhere else. I just leave it at that. Really good. Really good. Well, she's waiting for hers. Now, of course, we could have put some flavors in there, like a vodka flavor or something like that, but I'm only joking. Not flavors, but you know what I'm saying. Ooh, but I'm trying to stay away from drinking and just concentrate on the good stuff. And that's what this is. No alcohol, just pure goodness.
Yes.
Happy wife, happy life. Thank you. All right, ciao.
Ciao.
Look at my hand and look at the size of...
Muito pouquinho, tá aprendendo aí.
So folks, ordering in Portuguese is not that bad. I just came to this coffee shop by myself. Elsie's not here. I grabbed my translator app and in reasonably good Portuguese ordered myself an espresso with hot milk. And here it is being made. So if you haven't traveled abroad and you don't speak the language, should you happen to, don't be afraid. People are people. Most of them are very friendly and they'll go out of their way to work with you. So I just said to Elsie, let's take a small video in front of all these stickers with Volkswagen buses. And she says, what am I going to say? I said, don't worry about it. I do all the talking always anyway.
I never know what to say. He's the creative one.
So here we've got tons of stickers, as you can see right behind us. We're at a mini rest stop. And they've got a ton of stickers from Volkswagen Combi buses. That means a lot of people obviously travel around in them. So we ought to get one.
Yes.
Then we have to figure out a name for it, right?